Hello guys, this is the very first outdoor videos. Now I'm here in BGC, Bonifacio Global City. Now I'm trying to unboxing the one apps of that available in the BGC. That is called Moovr, Moovr. Now we are here, Moovr. I'm trying to rent the bicycle. Here is the bicycle of the Moovr, and here there is one more. There is a electricity skater. Now I'm trying to rent it. The first I need to scan the QR code. Okay, now we press the start the right, and then we scan the QR code. Okay, now I'm ready to take a ride. Because it's a rainy day, it's better for me to move now. Okay, now I don't know where I'm going to go. I just try to bicycle to discover the BGC. So this is a one way. This is the first time I'm bicycling in the BGC. I try to discover the BGC. Use the bicycle. See ya. So here is the ride of today. Need to press the end right. This for 31 minutes. Okay, to lock there. I need to lock the bike. Okay, that's all. Why is still running the times? One more time. Okay, the charges is 44 peso and 99. Here is my ride of today. Now I'm here in the high street of BGC. I'm damn thirsty. Now I'm going to grab a coffee. I saw the Nanyang. They have the Malaysian coffee. That's all. Yeah, I'm thirsty. I need to drink. Bye. This is a favorite coffee for me, Nanyang. This one called Kopi Pengkau. Means thick coffee, and this is a half-boiled egg and the roti bread for 150 peso. Hello guys, after I try the apps, the Moovr, Moovr, I don't know do I pronounce correctly, but it's a really a good idea for the bike sharing, the electric scooter sharing. But one thing I think that can improve is to increase the hubs. Like you can build more hubs that for the in the SM Aura or Uptown Mall or somewhere else, because the hub now is more focused on the high street. Yeah, I hope there is more hubs soon, coming soon, so the people can use it easily. Yeah, that's all. But still, the thumb up for the apps. Yep. And if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Take care guys. Bye.